So have you ever wondered which online coaching business model is the easiest and most profitable as a beginner coach? So in this video I will tell you about the which business model you should opt for if you are starting online, since coaching industry is booming. Many of the coaches are entering in the market, many of the expert people are entering the market, but they are not sure about which coaching business model they should go for. Okay, they are like now copy pasting which other industry people are doing, but it's not working for them. So in this video I will tell you about how step by step how you can scale your coaching business model as a beginner coach. So hi everyone, Krante this side. So those of you who do not know, I run an advertising agency in India in which I help online coaches to establish their online coaching business very sustainably and then scale it to like 10 lakh rupees per month. So this is all what I do through ads and funnel. So whenever a new coach comes to me, what kind of advices I give to them and what stages they are in. So in this video I will typically talk about the online beginner coaches, those who have just like came out of their job, or maybe they have thought now like I will now convert my expertise into helping other people around. Okay, so what which business model they should start with? So the first business model that they should start with is the one-to-one coaching business model. Okay, so what happened in this one-to-one coaching business model? When you are starting, you do not have resources to run the ads, but you have time. Okay, so then now you can use that time to create online content, join social media groups, post on Facebook, LinkedIn. You can DM to the your ideal prospect and see whether they are right fit for your one-to-one online coaching session. So this way you can actually work one-to-one to the audience and actually dig down the what are their deep pain points, and you can now form your whole blueprint basically, that with this blueprint I will coach my prospect, and with this blueprint only will help from the prospect to reach from point A to point B. So by doing one-to-one personalized one-to-one sessions through Zoom, you will be needing very less resources. For example, you will be just needing a Calendly for the appointment booking. The second one is Zoom, and the third one is Canva, and social media is free as of now. So you will need just these three basic things and your time. So basically you are reaching out to the people on social media handles, talking to them and see if you can help them, and whenever you feel that you can help them, just tell them that their problem will be easily be solved in 6 coaching sessions, maybe 10 coaching session, or whatever it is, and then by this you will be able to generate case studies. Okay, so that other people will also get to know about that whatever your expertise is actually proven in the market and they can trust you. So this is the first thing that online beginner coaches should start, even if they do not have any resources to pay on advertisement, sales funnel and everything. Okay, so this is the first step. The second step is like, when you have now coached several kind of people, I will say like you should have taught around 10 to 15 of people and make them reach their goal, right? now you have like 15 case studies, or maybe if you have only 15 clients, now it could be possible that 10 of your clients might become your case studies. Okay, so for example, if you are a yoga coach, you can see that if 15 people are like in your online coaching, then like maybe 10 people must have gained result. So you can use those case studies, testimonials to leverage for other prospect. Okay, so this is what you can do. And the second thing is, now since you have established your blueprint, your expertise in the market, you understand your customer, you understand the timeline it will take for them to from point A to point B. Okay, so the second business model for online coaches is group coaching, which is also like one-to-many coaching. So when what happened in one-to-many coaching, the different kind of people, different you target audience, basically your ideal client persona will be enrolling with you, but you will be delivering the same content in a group coaching. In this way you are catering to the prospect each of the problems, and also the prospect or also your clients or customer also are learning from each other's lives. For example, if I'm a parenting coach, I will be having a one-to-many sessions to the parents, and Okay, so I will be talking about some of the common pain points of the parenting, and then those my customers will use those things in their parenting lives, and everyone gonna be like getting the results, because when you understand your customer, you will get that every prospect has same kind of issues, the same kind of pattern in terms of their maybe in terms of pain points and problems they must be having. Okay. So this is the second way you can do the coaching business model after having many case studies in one-to-one personalized coaching sessions. Okay, so and then what is the price point you should have your one-to-one personalized sessions? So these sessions you can actually be like start from 2,000 rupees an hour per session, or maybe you can give them a costing of 6,000 rupees for 6 sessions. Okay, and you can define it specific by how many hours it will be. Will it be 2 hours per session? Okay, so you can charge accordingly, because since you are starting, you also need to understand that whether you are actually be able to help people or not. Okay, whether it's just your gut feeling and now your confidence is booming up and you are not able to get result, and you can start charging by little less money, but as you gradually grow up, you have more case studies to back your thing, back your blueprint, back your expertise, then you can charge a little more. In the group coaching session, what you can say is, in the group one-to-many group coaching sessions, you can say that my coaching program is of like 6 to 8 weeks, in which I coach people like you. And for example, I'm a career coach, then I will say that in my 6 to 8 weeks of coaching program, I help IT professional to get 200% salary hike, and get interview calls, or get better opportunities in this 8 weeks of program. So this is something I can literally offer to my one-to-many coaching sessions, in which people from different IT industry will come on to like online Zoom sessions, in which I coach them what the next step that they all must be having. So this is the second business model that you can go with. So since you are starting now, you are cutting off your time and leveraging it to one-to-many sessions. Now the third business model that you can use is the courses and coaching programs. Okay, so courses and coaching programs are like since you have now understood the pain points of your target audience and everything, now you can actually create a course out of it. Okay, so if you have seen the industry leaders in this coaching industry, for example, Siddharth Rajshekhar. Okay, Siddharth Rajshekhar, because I have learned many things from him, so I will take his example. He's my mentor. So I've seen that he has made his whole system and process in a way that everything is like almost automated. Okay, his platform, his courses are hosted on a platform, Tag Mango. He uses Razorpay, he uses Zoom, and everything that he do. And he has system level of processes that in his silver level of membership people get this, in his gold level of membership he will do this, and then he has silver, gold, platinum, diamond level of membership people will get this, and then it comes the platinum membership. So this is you can do when you are making almost like 5 lakh rupees or 10 lakh rupees a month. Then you have a proven system that if I record this part of the business, and it will be at lower prices, and then people will come to join the silver membership, and in the silver membership you are pitching about the gold membership, in the gold membership you are pitching about the diamond membership. This is exactly how Siddharth Rajshekhar does it. When he in his silver level of membership program, he pitches his gold level of membership things, and then his gold level he pitches diamond level of things, and once a month in a webinar he does, then he sells his I guess gold level, or maybe diamond level of membership, in which he tells them that it is priced at like 2 lakh rupees or 2 lakh rupees or 2.5 lakh rupees for a year of period, in which he gives many of the valuable things, certification and expertise and everything. So So that way, the third type of business model which I told you, courses and masterclass, that you can actually scale up by doing webinars, free webinar, paid webinar, 3-day challenge, 5-day challenge. But since you have now more of the case studies that are backing up your thoughts, so these are the three business model that you should opt for when you are entering the online business industry. So I hope you have got some insight about how you should start if you are on the edge of starting your online business, then you should go for this kind of model and gradually scale up to the automation in which your course recording programs are now everything is automated. Now your one-to-one coaching sessions, since you have reached a certain level, now your one-to-one sessions will be at your mastermind, in which you are personally communicating to the people. That will be your mastermind, and for that you can actually charge 10 lakh rupees a year, okay, or maybe 2 lakh rupees a year, in which you can give them certain things like I will become live weekly and having a words one-to-one with you. So this way you can scale your coaching business from doing from nothing to 10 lakh rupees a month or a crore a month. So thank you so much.